Croeso i'r adran Mathemateg. Welcome to the Mathematics Department. Rydym yn astudio ar gyfer dwy radd TGAU, un mewn Mathemateg a'r llall mewn rhifedd. Bydd disgyblion yn sefyll 4 arholiad i gyd, 2 gyda chyfrifiannell a 2 heb gyfrifiannell. Bydd yr arholiadau fel arfer yn sefyll ar ddiwedd blwyddyn 10. Mae dewis o 2 i'r haen sydd yn cynnig y graddau a welir yma. We are studying towards 2 GCSE grades, one in mathematics and the other in numeracy. Pupils will serve 4 exams in total, 2 with a calculator and 2 without. These will usually be sat at the end of year 11. There is a choice of 3 tiers offering the grades that can be seen here.
Helo, Miss Jones dwi, a dwi'n bennaeth Mathemateg yn Ysgol Dyffryn Conwy. Dwi wrth y modd efo unrhyw datrys problemau, yn enwedig pan mae bosib i datrys gan ddefnyddio algebra. Hello, my name is Billy Jones and I'm the Head of Mathematics at Ysgol Dyffryn Conwy. I really enjoy any problem-solving tasks, especially when you could solve them using algebra.
Dyma'r gwahaniaeth rhwng y cymhwyser rhifedd a mathemateg. Here's the difference between the numeracy and the mathematics qualification.
Helo, fi Angharad Evans ydw i, a dwi'n athrawes Mathemateg ac yn gydlynu rhifedd yn Ysgol Dyffryn Conwy. Dwi wrth y modd yn dysgu plant am eu sgiliau rhifedd nhw, sef pethau perthnasol i'w bywyd bob dydd nhw. Edrych ar filiau, edrych ar adlog ac edrych ar drethu. Hello, I'm Miss Evans. I'm a maths teacher at Ysgol Dyffryn Conwy and I'm also a numeracy coordinator. Therefore, I love teaching kids about their real life problems like dealing with money, tax and looking at percentages in real life situations.
Mae'n hanfodol fod gan y disgyblion adnoddau cywir ym mhob gwers. It is essential that pupils have the correct equipment in every lesson.
Helo, Miss Donna Jones ydw i a dwi'n aelod o'r adran Mathemateg. Yr agwedd o Mathemateg dwi'n ei fwynhau fwyaf ydy trigonometreg. I'm Miss Donna Jones. I'm a member of the Maths Department. The aspect of maths that I enjoy most is trigonometry.
Dyma rai adnoddau sy'n cael ei defnyddio yn y gwersi ac i gefnogi'r disgyblion gartref. Here are some of the resources used within the lessons and to support pupils at home. Mae gan bob disgybl gyfrif personol My Maths. Every pupil has a personal My Maths account. Bydd mwyafrif y gwaith cartref yn cael ei gosod trwy Google Classroom. The majority of the homework can be set through Google Classroom. Bydd rhai o'r gwaith cartref yn cael ei osod ar ffurf quiz, ble bydd posib rhoi adborth unigol i bob disgybl ar bob cwestiwn. Some of the homeworks can be set as quizzes, where individual feedback can be set for each pupil for each question.
Helo, John Roberts ydw i, dwi ddi'r prybennaeth ac hefyd yn aelod o'r adran Mathemateg. Dwi wrth y bodd yn dysgu algebra yn enwedig indexau. Hello, my name is John Roberts. I'm your deputy head. I'm also a member of the Maths Department. I love teaching algebra and love teaching indices. Thank you. See you next year.
Dros y blynyddoedd mae nifer o ddisgyblion wedi cael llwyddiant wrth gystadlu yn y Maths Challenge. Over the years, several pupils have been successful when competing in the Maths Challenge.
My name is Miss McBride and I'm one of the maths teachers at Ysgol Dyffryn Conwy. In my spare time, I'm a mountain leader, and to navigate safely through the mountains, you need to use several of your GCSE maths skills. Coordinates can help you locate position on a map. Map scales help you work out distances. You need to be able to calculate the speed at which you're walking, and also use bearings to ensure that you're travelling in the correct direction.
Helo, fi di Heledd Jones, aelod arall o'r adran Mathemateg. Dwi'n hoff o waith graffiau, graffiau algebra neu graffiau mudiant, ac wrth gwrs graffiau data.
Diolch yn fawr i chi am wrando and thank you all for listening.